2016, you dove in head first. What brought it full circle other than that situation? Because you had to have a passion for teaching, number one.
You know what? I didn't even know I didn't know that I did. I really didn't. All I knew was just that I needed to kind of, I guess, help people. You know what I mean? Like, hey, let me put you on, you know what I mean, a certain kind of way, because, I mean, making $9 an hour ain't cutting it if you can go over here and, you know, do this and that, and then you can keep climbing the ladder, you know, and then on top of that, go ahead and switch over, get your real estate license. That's when everything was good at the time, you know, if that's something that you wanted to do. So I had no idea how to really teach. I just knew that I had people tell me, hey, you got a good way of explaining things. Thank you for that. So I kind of used that information and kept going.
Okay, what were some of the stumbling blocks that you came across as you began to launch and move forward with your company?
Honestly, it was like quote unquote competitors, I guess. You know, I still suck at social media, but I was trying to, you know, market and everything myself on social media. And it was booming. You know, a lot of people was like, oh my gosh, like, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So one of the first stumbling blocks was like, people like, no, like, don't trust her because, you know, on Facebook it asks you where you from. So I had San Diego up, but at the time I was in St. Louis, you know, so they automatically were just like, no, she a fraud, she a scam. No, don't trust her. And then even to this day, like, my social media is whack as hell. So a lot of people just like, no, she fake. Look at, she ain't got no friends for real. She ain't got this, she ain't got that. So that was the second hurdle that I had to jump over. And I'm still realizing that at this very moment that, hey, nowadays people are looking at you. They look at your social media platform first. If you are not popping on there, if you have not been posting, you ain't got no responses, automatically, hey, you're not real. You're a bot. That's what you are. So those are like the main two things that I had issues with.
Okay, man, I got to tell you this. Just in listening to you talk and you know, talking about people maybe not trusting or feeling like you were a bot. I strongly suggest, because you have an amazing personality, I think you should start, you know, even if it's a once a week, 56-second, some type of tutorial, but let people get to know your personality, because once they get to know your personality, they'll be more willing to trust what you say, because I'm locked in because you seem super nice. There's no way someone as nice as you sound could be a scam. So people need to see and get to know you.
Thank you, gotcha.
That way they can, you know, because, you know, I'm locked in to everything you're saying.